In 2007, billionaire investor Warren Buffett made a $1 million bet. He believed a low-cost S&P 500 stock index fund would outperform hedge funds which were actively managed by one of the brightest individuals on Wall Street over the 10 years period from 2008 to 2017. And the man on the other side of this bet was Ted Seides, a hedge fund manager of Protégé Partners. As a part of this bet, Buffett demanded that a counterparty must select at least 5 hedge funds that are very popular and are high-fees investment vehicles. And actually, due to this, the actively managed funds had every edge and every incentive to ensure that they performed as well as possible. So what happened? Well, all the hedge funds outperformed initially during the 2008 housing crisis, as S&P 500 index was down 37% versus the 5 hedge funds that were down on an average 24%. But in the next 9 years, the hedge funds underperformed by huge margin, where S&P 500 index fund gained 125% versus 36% on an average for all those 5 hedge funds. This means $100,000 invested at the beginning of 2008 would be worth $141,882 in 2017 if invested in the hedge funds versus $207,608 if invested in the S&P 500 index fund. And Warren Buffett in his 2017 annual letter to shareholders said that the bet is over and has delivered an unforeseen investment lesson. And the hedge fund manager who took this bet said that for all intent and purpose, the game is over and I lost. Drop a like on this video and follow for more.